Tesla Semi logs over 1,000 miles on a single day in independent test. A PepsiCo Tesla Semi covered over 1,000 miles on a single workday. As recorded by the monitoring equipment installed as part of the North American Council for Freight Efficiency (NACFE) Run on Less program that aims to discover the real-world efficiency of zero-emissions work trucks. During the 17th day of the program, the penultimate day of the program, the rig that's labeled as Tesla 3 logged a total of 1,076 miles and made just one delivery. According to the data released by Run on Less, Tesla's Class 8 rig started its journey right after midnight with a battery state of charge society of 95%, which allowed it to travel 371.99 miles before stopping to get a top-up, with the society hitting the 9.17% mark at around 6:45 a.m. After about an hour of charging, the battery got to 47%. The truck got moving again shortly after, covering another 166 miles, which got the society level to just 2.6%. A 1.5-hour recharge followed, replenishing the battery pack to 88.6% and allowing for another long-distance stint of 357 miles. With the battery level at 18%, the truck stopped once again for a recharge, this time upping the society to 51.5%, which enabled the final 167-mile leg of the day to be driven, stopping with 15% left, just 4 seconds before midnight. The data also shows that this particular rig spent 81.8% of the day driving, 11.1% of the time charging, and was inactive for 17% of the day. Furthermore, the majority of the trips, 92.6%, were done at over 50 miles per hour. On days 2 and 3 of the program, the same truck covered 1,600 miles, logging roughly 800 miles on each of the days while making a total of 9 deliveries. By comparison, one of the Freightliner E-Cascadias run by Schneider traveled a total of 186 miles on the second day of the program, made 15 deliveries, and finished the day at 8:42 p.m. with 18% left in the battery, without stopping for a recharge during the day. The 3 Tesla Semis that participated in the study are part of PepsiCo's Sacramento depot, with other participants including logistics company Schneider National with the Freightliner E-Cascadia, warehousing distribution firm Performance Team with the Volvo VNR, and more. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.